Hi guys, today I will play Garten of Banban. Let's just hit play. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Okay. And I'm also sorry for letting Amal steal my phone. Oh, key card. Maybe I can open that door. A drone. This remote needs two batteries. Where could they be? A letter. Dear Mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Okay. Now where are those batteries? There's one. Another one. There's the drone. Press remote icon to use your toy. Okay. Press teleport icon to teleport the toy to the nearest room. I'm using the teleport button later. Another button. Who's that? It's dark in here. There we go. An egg. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Okay, I think I can do this. I already got an egg, so I got 5 more to get. Let's check here. Bring a friend day stickers. Caution. Peel slowly. I found one. Another. Wow, I'm so lucky. What's down here? Let's activate this. A button. How did I not see that? An egg. Another. I think that's all the eggs. A yellow key card. The toy cannot be directly commanded to breakable materials such as yellow glass. Maybe if I... Distraction at 1. A hammer. What do we need this for? Oh, I think I know. Press jump icon to jump. I've been doing that almost all the time. What's this? I alone. I want to play with the hole, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I am scared because hole is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. What? I've seen her picture on the entrance, and she's white. He's green. Pink. Light purple. And I went past it. There we go. Finally, orange. Orange key card. What was that sound? Ah, it's the Opila bird. Let's run. Press it. Ah. It turned backwards. Good thing I have my phone turned. And I died. That was the most stupidest death in the world. We are back. Good, we didn't die that time. Huh, where's the floor going? It turned into an elevator. Huh? Huh, what is going on? Oh no, it's strong green. That's it. Well, GG. Oh wow, I can't believe it finished on a cliffhanger. Well, that's all today. Like and subscribe to see me play Chapter 0. Bye.